Hello everyone, welcome to Ginsley Talks for this simple English lesson. Today I'm going to teach you how to introduce yourself in 2 easy steps. Step 1, how to say your name. Step 2, how to say where you're from. Step 3, how to share your personal and professional information. When you say your name in English, you must consider where you are and who you are with. If you are with your friends or classmates, you can use a simple and informal way. For example, you can say, my name is Gensley, or I am Pierre Gensley. However, if you are in a professional situation like a job interview or a business meeting, you should be more formal. You can say, my first name is Gensley and my last name is Pierre Louis, or my full name is Pierre Louis Gensley. Or even you can say, let me introduce myself. My name is Gensley, or I would like to introduce myself. My name is Pierre Louis Gensley. To talk about where you come from, you usually use I'm from. For example, if you are Asian, French, or Spanish, and you live in the USA, you can say I'm from Haiti, or I'm from France, or I'm from Spain. But if you want to talk about the place where you live now, you can say I live in the USA, I live in New York. You can give some information about your studies, your job, or your life. If you are a student, you can say, for example, I'm a student of international relations, or I'm a international relations student. If you want to give the name of the university, you can say I'm a medical student at Harvard University, or I'm a medical student and I study at the University of Chicago. If you want to talk about your profession, you can use I'm. For example, I'm a doctor, I'm an engineer, or I'm a diplomat. And if you want to talk about your job, you can say I work as a diplomat for my country, I work as an engineer at ABC company, or I work as a doctor at this hospital. And that's it. There's the 3 simple steps to introduce yourself in English. Say your name, say where you're from, share personal or professional information. Now write your introduction in the comments and I will help you correct it. If you like this lesson, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you in the next lesson.